To measure total circuit resistance, we're going to set the meter to ohms, and we're going to isolate the circuit, first by turning the power off, and then we're going to isolate the circuit by disconnecting the power supply. Total circuit, the circuit begins here and ends here. So we're going to place the leads in here and there, and we're going to measure total circuit resistance. You'll notice that the meter is slowly going down in resistance because the bulbs are cooling off. That's total circuit resistance. We're now going to measure total circuit current. This is a series circuit, and according to Ohm's law, current is the same everywhere. We're going to turn our meter to amps. We're going to start in the 10 amp lead because we don't want to blow the fuse. Now we can check current anywhere. I have to hook the meter up in series. I can pull the resistor out. Power goes into the meter through the red lead. Power exits the meter through the black lead. You'll notice the lights have come back on. I can now read total circuit current. Okay, let's try it somewhere else. How about if I do it here? Power comes into the red lead, power goes out the black lead, and I measure total circuit current. Again, looks like Mr. Ohm is pretty smart. I can do this wherever I want. Let's do it here. Power comes in the red lead, power goes out the black lead, and I have the same reading. Current is the same everywhere in a series circuit. Golly gosh, gee whiz, what if I open the circuit here? Power comes in here, and now I bypass the switch and I hook it up on this side of the fuse because I don't want to damage the meter, and the current is the same. Now I'm going to measure voltage drop. I'm going to then take my lead out, I'm going to set it to volts, DC. Put my volt lead in. I'm going to set my meter down, and I'm going to measure the voltage drop across these two bulbs. Oops, So, voltage drop on that bulb is almost 6 volts. Gosh, that's half the voltage. Let's check the voltage drop on the other bulb. I'll bet it's similar. Voltage drop on this bulb. It's we'll hold the leads on a little firmer, and we got a little over 6 volts. So if I add the voltage drop from bulb 2 to bulb 1, I'll get so